Page 31, Carousel. This is just a piece where you're connecting things and you can get different dynamics going on. The heavier you are, the louder you are, and so forth. Let's look it over. It's a page long. Treble bass clef, 3/4 time signature, a bunch of quarter notes and dotted half notes. And we are moving around a bit. So I'm going to take both hands at the same time. Let's see what they're going to do. The left hand starts here. Right hand starts here. And just quarter notes. Left hand's got to come over to do that one. And then come back down. And then the second line is similar, except now the left hand's got to go up to the C. The third line, then a chord, 2, 3. Move the right hand up and ready to go. And then you can move the left or right hand back down. And then what? The last two measures. They give you treble clef. This is something about music we got to learn to deal with. They can change clef signs in the middle of a piece anywhere they want, as much as they want. You can do it in the middle of a measure or at a bar line or wherever. Here they're doing it at a bar line, but they are changing the clef sign. So now the bottom staff has treble clef, which makes these notes here. And then that last measure has an 8VA above it, so instead of here, this C, it's this C. So that last line is here. You come up here. And that's how that ends up sounding. I mean, it sounds simple enough. It's just when you look at it, it's like, what they want here, huh? Is that, well, we look at it and we talk about it and we figure it out, huh? Now, once I have the notes and rhythms all right, then I'll go back over it slowly and work out the hesitations. You look down when you got to move, but only when you got to move. Then the articulation, and this is connected. I think you can lift up between, I think these are more like phrases here. Lift up, so there's a little silence there. Lift up, lift up. Yeah, just lift up between each of these curved lines. And then the dynamics, here it's both hands, because the melody's in both hands. Moderately loud, whatever you think sort of loud is. The second line, you're going to kind of echo that. Come down a little bit to sort of soft. And then the third line is loud. It's heavy. And then the fourth line is sort of loud again. And then the last two measures or so. In between the staves, slow down and get softer. So we're doing two things at once. Good luck. You're going to slow down. And while you slow down, now you're also going to get softer. You're going to go down to soft. So that last note is soft. So moderately loud. Now a little less soft. Here it's almost each note is just a hair softer. Starting with the last two measures, here, softer, softer, soft. Yeah, so. Don't forget to slow down. You see, when we're first doing this, we're kind of forcing it. We're kind of artificially, mechanically adding in this slowing down and getting softer. But again, you want to get to where the notes are automatic and the rhythm is automatic. You can start feeling it. You'll feel getting softer and slowing down. And that's what you're after. You want to feel it. The natural accents. 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3, those. You want to feel those too. And as far as the speed goes, it's just flutter flow. Joe. Something like that. There's also a note above the first line. Hold the damper pedal down throughout. So I'm going to push the note down first, and then the damper pedal immediately after. I'm going to hold it down for the whole mess, and then when I lift the last note up, I'll lift the pedal up. Here. That's my carousel for now. I play by feel. However I feel it is how I play it. Once I get the mechanics out of the way, you get into it and you feel it. You don't have to take it at that speed. You can try things with the dynamics and see what you think. We're going to do a lot more with dynamics because it's really important that when you get into interpreting music and feeling music, the dynamics are a big part of it. Now, once you can play this okay, no hesitation, slowly, let's play it together and check you have the right notes and rhythms. I'm not doing the dynamics. We're not doing louds and softs because we're not performing it. We're checking notes and rhythms. I'll give us 3 counts because there's 3 counts in a measure. 1, ready, go. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. 2, 3. 2, 3. 1, 2, 3, off.